Or breakfast boredom? Not for long. Place some warm caramelized apples on homemade coconut whipped cream, scatter with a few toasted nuts, and you have got a breakfast worthy of royalty. The apples are versatile in nature because they are somewhat sweet, not overbearing or sugary. Using cinnamon, maple syrup, and a combination of seasonings, these apples are given an unbelievable amount of flavor in a quick and simple preparation, under 15 minutes to complete. Hello guys, I am Ishwari and today we are cooking caramelized apples at the Smoothies bar. Here the caramelized apples steal the show, so I can't wait to cook this delicacy. Let's start with the recipe of these beautiful caramelized apple roses. You will need an apple, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 3 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 pinch salt. Most apples have a slight sweetness and a slight tartness, but neither quality dominates the other. While some of these apple varieties have a modest flavor, others stand out. As usual, that is based on the harvesting conditions and weather. Apples should be firm when touched. A fresh, high-quality apple should have a pleasant aroma and you find them all year round. Whole apples will keep for a week if put on the counter and out of the sun. Apples can keep for up to 6 weeks in the crisper drawer of the refrigerator. They should be wrapped in a wet paper towel or put in a plastic bag with holes to keep them fresh. Now I'm taking a mixing bowl, adding apple slices, then maple syrup, and then salt to enhance the sweet components, and a tablespoon of water. Now take a medium-sized pan, melt coconut oil, and add the apple slices mixture to it. Let's cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally for about 3 minutes. Cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring often, after which the heat is reduced to medium-low. In the final few minutes of cooking, add the cinnamon. The apple should be little mushy and the sauce should be golden brown color. The apples that have been caramelized have a beautiful roasted appearance, a soft texture and a buttery sweet taste. Now I'm arranging the slices such that I'll be able to make beautiful roses out of it. After arranging them, you simply need to roll them and then just poke in the toothpick so that they remain well set. These beautiful caramelized apple roses can be a wonderful accent to many different recipes because they are spicy, tart and incredibly warming. With the wonderful taste combinations, they have a slight bite yet are not mushy. The color when cooked till browned and caramelized is my favorite part. An affordable and simple method to give sweet or savory foods that extra something is to caramelize apples. Oh, look at these gorgeous apple roses. These delicate caramelized apples are fantastic on their own and an ideal dish whether you need a quick treat or want a tasty topping for crepes, homemade ice creams. You can serve it over oatmeal, pancakes, yogurts for breakfast or brunch. What would you like the most with sauteed apples? Please share in the comment box. I would love to hear from you. It's a must-try recipe. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment for any suggestions, recommendations or feedbacks. See you in my next video. Eat clean.